Hi, good day to every one of you. This is a new video for everyone that does not know how to open an account with FS Broker. How you can open an account with FS Broker, set up your chart, import indicator, copy and paste indicator to the necessary folder, and how to actually attach a template downloaded attached to your chart. All right, we are going to cover that in this short video. In case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you do that so that we'll be able to get a update or have access to new video that I'm going to drop soon. All right, let's start with this. You can start with any broker that's allowed in your country. Here I'm using Octa FS. I'm going to create a new account with this broker right now for the purpose of this video. I have account I'm using not on this broker, but because I cannot use that to teach you from scratch again because I have an account with them, and that's why I'm using this platform, Octa Forex. Now here is an icon to a button to create an account, and I believe on other platforms, other sites too, you definitely see a place where you can create an account with them. So let me create an account here. I'm going to create a demo account. So enter my name. Just let me enter this. Uh, okay, I just feed the detail here. So my password, I'm going to enter it. Okay, so confirm that I'm not a US citizen, resident, or affiliate. So just that's why I said you should look for a broker that's allowed in your country. So I'm not a robot, and then click open account. So you can save your password, and you might not do that. So once you open an account, let me see what is going on here. Deposit. This create an account. We've done that. Okay, check your mail. So let me go to my mail and check. All right, here is it. You sent a mail already, Octa FS. So let me confirm my email. So just go through the process, confirm your email, and you'll be good to go. So asking for country, enter your country here. Let me enter Nigeria. City and Lagos. Okay, okay, phone number. I'm going to blot that out. You just let me pause the video and enter all the other. Okay, I've entered my details, and now after you enter your detail, this is where the next phase is this. Do you want to go for MT4 or MT5? Here I'm going to use MT4, and then later I will come back to MT5 also. We open the two so that you know how to actually attach indicators and templates both in MT4 and in MT5 because the process are a bit different. So, and I'm going to cover that in this video. So let's go with MT4 first, and MT4 selected. So I'm opening demo account now. The leverage you can use earning, but it's better from 200 to 500, 1000 uh, leverage. So leverage, if you know how to use it, is your own advantage. And if you don't know how to use it, uh, it can blow your account also. So let's start with the I'm not going to cover how to use leverage, or that you can Google it online. So I'm going to take these two uh, uh, one to two leverage, then the balance. So normally I don't put big money in demo accounts, so that the money I cannot afford to put in a real account, so I won't put it in a demo. So right after you fill that, the other platform might be different, other broker might be different from this. Just follow through. It's the same thing. So let's see. Okay, so I've opened that $200. That's what I want to do. I'll Octave FS demo. This is my account number, and then create an account. So let's do that. I think we've created one already. I don't know why. And so create another one. This is the first time I'm using this website also. Okay, this is my demo account. So let me switch to this account. I'm not creating another. Okay, this is the account now. But now we've created an account with them. I've entered my password. Enter my password. So we are going to download the MT4 platform, so that we can trade on it. So let me see where the uh, what do they call it? The platform is. Okay, let's see this trading here. Okay, download MT4. So I'm going to download MT4 now. So you can go through your website to any website you want to and just check around. You will see where it is before you get conversant with the website. So here is it. I want to download the MT4 now. So click this link to download the installation. So I'm going to click here to download it. So it's downloading already. Keep. So we are done. So you can flow in a folder or just open it like this so that you can run it. Or better still, it's the same process. Start correctly. Click OK to close this. Okay. Uh, this is due to my antivirus. So let me open this. So in a folder, then you can right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, just click yes. Next. It's just the process. Wait for it to install. All right, it's done. Finished. Good. Now just go to your desktop right now. You will see it. This is it. This is Octa FS. So I'm going to run it now. Just double click on it. Okay. Now I open demo. Let me see the detail you are given. Uh, my account. This is okay, Octa FS demo. So let me copy. This is my account. Let me copy that. This is 3 34225591. That's the account, and we're going to use it here. And the server is Octa FS Demo. So Octa FS Demo, we have Demo 2, we have Reso. Going to click this and next. So your account detail now, since we've opened one and it's 3, the account number is 32 at rather 34225591, and the password that I created. Enter your password here and click finish. If everything's okay, it should connect. Or invalid, that means the password or the account is not correct. Or let me reset my password. The account number is correct, 34225591. So let me reset my password. Change password after FS personal area account. So I want to change password for this. So current password, which I'm not sure. New one. So click on change. Invalid MT account password, please enter a valid one. Let me see if they sent a mail that contains my, oh, here is it. Tap FS pin. You've created a sign up. Log into your personal area. Okay, here's my password. Good. Here's my password. So you go back to the platform, to the MT4 platform, and click on file, then log into trading account. So I've copied my password, just paste it there. All right, this will connect now. All right, and see it now. It's on already. So where is it? Uh, Here is it. Automatically we have this like 4 charts already. Now, since you know how to open an account with any broker now, and now I'm going to show you how to copy an indicator, attach it to your chart, and how to attach a template also to your chart. And I'm going to uh, go to one of my video on YouTube and download the file, and I will try to actually attach it here so that we use that one as an example. Now let me close the other chart, since I only need one to actually, so you can use any chart from here. If you want to open any chart, just right click on it and the chart window is going to open. Here is it, and here is just create anyone you want to, any page you want to trade. All right, so let me go back right now to YouTube. This is $200 that I entered for a demo account. So I advise you, do not put a bigger money in your demo if you cannot afford that exact amount in your real account. So don't try to deceive yourself. Put what can afford to put in your real account and demo with it, practice with it. So if you are good at it and you are making profit, you know when you put the actual amount in your real account, you will do well also. So there's no need of putting bigger amounts in demo account that you cannot afford in your real account. It doesn't make sense to me. So let's go back to YouTube right now. Here's YouTube, and this is one of my video that I created. This is not repenting forex trading. All right, this is the link to download it. Just click on this. I'm going to download this. So here is it right now. Here is a download button. Sign here. Just click on download. Now here we have it. Now let me close this. Here is it. It's complete. So let me show it in a folder. And here is it in the folder. Let me try and cut it. Let me paste it somewhere on my laptop. Let me create a folder for it so that it will be easy for us to extract it. So let me call NNP or NNRP, any name you want, and I'm going to drop that folder here. Now it's a zip folder, and you have to unzip it. If you don't have anything to unzip it, just go to Google it and download WinRAR to unzip this file. Right click on it and click on extract here. So it's going to extract. Here we have it. Double click on it. Now we have four items inside this folder. We have no repaint arrow, NO, and NRP indicator. All of the first three ended with .es4, 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 and the last one ended with a .tpl. .tpl means template. So I'm going to copy the first three, which is indicator, and I'm going to drop that inside indicator folder. You only copy indicator into indicator folder. So let's go back to your FS platform right now, Octa Forex, as the one I'm using as example right now. So you go to file, open data folder, you click on it. So once it opens, you see MQL4, double click on it, and inside that you have indicator. So inside this indicator, you can right click to your left here, then click on paste. Automatically it is pasted. So we have it here right now. So you go back right now also, just click this back arrow or this in order for us to attach the template. Now if it's going to confuse you by going back, let's close it and open it again. Now I want to open it now. Go to the same process again. File, open data folder. Hope you are following me. Open data folder. Then this time around, it is not MQL4. We are looking for a template folder. Here is a template folder. So double click on it. So these are the default templates that came with this platform. So I'm going back to where our indicator is. All right, let me open it again on my laptop. This is it, NRP. So I'm going to copy only nrp.tp. So you put .tp inside template folder, and here is the template folder right now. So you paste it here, copy and paste here. Now I have it. So close, you can close every other thing. Now you go back to your platform, to your MT4 platform, and here is mine. So let me close the other chart. I'm only going to use one as an example. Now here is it. So if you want to get rid of this grid, just click press Ctrl G, and it's gone. And if you want to see this terminal, you can click either Ctrl T on your laptop, or you come to this place, view rather, sorry, and see navigator. It's going to show we have navigator here. And if you don't want to use it, if you want to see the indicator, you can click this button here, and we have an indicator. So these are all the indicator with that comes with this, and you are not going to see the new one that excuse me, the new one that we just pasted inside the indicator template. What you folder rather, what you need to do is to right click on any of the indicator here, now the indicator, and refresh. Once you refresh it, we are going to see it there, and here is it. Good. We have NO repainting, no repaint indicator, and NRP. So instead of you adding this to your chart one by one, you don't need to do that. You just need to install it. Once you install it, the only thing you need to do is to go to template. Here is it. This icon here is for template. So just click on this arrow, this small arrow here. eh, Just click on it. Then you see template. See default template. Here is the template that we pasted inside template. Excuse me, inside template folder. And here is it. Just click on it, and immediately you have exactly as what you saw in that video. It's the same thing. This is just the process. And let's assume I want to have other template. Yes, the default template that came with it. You're just going to change to it. You don't have to add the indicator one by one to the chart. Automatically, every indicator will show once you uh, click on the template, once you attach it. And that's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. If you don't understand it now, I just click something on my laptop, which is Control T. I don't want to see this. I want to cover it up. Just press Control T. And if you don't want to do that, you can click this button. As you click it, it's going to come up, and if you want to close it, just click it again. So this is a simple way how you can attach indicator to your chart, how you can attach a template. Now, if you do not have a template, you found an indicator online, and then you don't know how and there's no template there, and you need to attach the indicator one by one. Let me open another chart and show you how to do that. Now, let me still use the same pair, Euro, Australia dollar, and here is it again. So you can go to this place, view navigator. But normally what I do, for me, what I do, either you click this, but it's going to show, or you go to view and click navigator, it's going to show too, or you press Control N on your laptop, which I normally use. And then once you do that, you can enlarge this. And I want to attach those indicators one by one on the chart. And the advantage of using the template is this: all the setting in the indicator that I've done is going to be the same thing on your chart once you use the template. But if you are going to uh, attach the indicator one by one, then you have to do the setting yourself. And I'm going to show you the setting inside there for every indicator that I attached. So this one, alert, enable alert arrow, I turn it off. In the previous one, enable arrows, so it's there. Then color, so this is the color. You might want to enlarge it a bit, increase the width uh, of this indicator. So here is it, we have it here. This is the first one down. Then the second one is no repaint arrow. This is the setting remain. Don't need to change anything here, just click OK, and here is it. And the third one is NRP indicator. Just click on it, double click on it, and this one I'm going to change some setting. Now if you use H4, you are going to have a lot of arrows on this chart, which I do not want, and it's not going to work the way I want it to work. It does not repaint. It does not repaint. Now we have time frame H4. I'm going to use it as default like that. And here you see it, you have a lot of arrow, a lot of arrow. And here you see it, a lot of arrow on the chart, and I don't want it. So I'm going to change it. You can put your cursor on the indicator, and change it. Change and go to no repaint property. Just click on this property and change it. Sorry, that is not what we want to change. This is this what we call it, NRP, that we want to change. And what we are going to do, just right click on it. If you do not know which arrow is for NRP, just right click on your laptop, then go to indicator list, indicators list, then click on it. You want to change NRP indicator, so double click on it, it will open. So I want to change this H4, which is 4 hours, change it to D1 daily. Then I'm going to change the color so that I will not be confused with the color of this indicator. So we have green, and lime and red here. So I'm going to change both to white and this one to white also, so that we know which one is giving us signal or not. Here is it. So here is it now. We have few signal now. Here is it. We have few signal, which is exactly as we have it on the template. Now there's another thing on the template. You see this bar, this candle, they are in two color, red and green. You can do the same thing here. If you don't like this default candle color, just right click on your laptop, on your chart, right click on it, then go to properties. Under property, you see bar up candle line. I'm okay with that. Bar down line also. I'm going to change that to red. And you are changing it, you'll be seeing it here. Now, and blue candle, change it to line also to be the same color with a bar up and blue candle. So bear, which means down also, change it to red. Okay, so here is it now. You have it on the chart. You have it on the chart, and this is how you attach indicator to your chart and how you can attach a template to your chart. So if there's anything you don't understand, you can go over the video again and follow it through so that you know how to attach it from beginning. I'll show you how to open an account, how to download indicator either from YouTube, from any YouTube at all, how to download, there's a download link there, and then how to extract it, how to copy it and paste it into the appropriate folder on your MT4, to the appropriate folder on your MT4. That's how to go about it. That's how to do it. Now, since we are done with MT4, let me go back to Octa FS right now and download MT5 folder. I don't know if I should do another video for this or I should just combine the two together. Let me combine the two together so that you don't need to watch any other video. Now let's go back to Octa FS also right now. Here is my account. I want to create another one. Let's see how we can create another account here. And let me go back to my dashboard. This is the first time I'm using this broker. I'm just using for this video. Now I want to open an account. I want to create an account. So let me see this. Click on this button. All right. Now here is it. Here's MT5. So I want to select MT5. So MT5 selected. So next page. So I'm opening the demo account also. Leverage. Let's go for 2 orange also, and this is $2 also. Let's do the same thing. So I want to open an account for MT5 now, so that I will show you how you can uh, attach indicator on MT5 also, because they are different. There's a bit different, slight different how you attach, how you where you paste indicator in the MT5 and the way you paste the template, they are different. It's not the same thing, and that's why I want to go through this also so that you know how to do that. So trader password, here is it is demo, so I can see it. So I will copy this. But let me go ahead and download MT5. I want to download MT5 right now. Trading platform. This is MT5. I'm downloading for desktop. So here is it. So downloading it already. Keep. So done already. Show in a folder. So here is it, MT5. So I'm going to run it. Right click on it. Either you double click it or you right click and run as administrator and click yes. Next, you don't need to do anything, just follow all through. Just follow it through. So we wait for it while it is running. And while it is running, let's go back to my YouTube channel also, Profiting Forex Trading. Then let's look for MT5 video strategy. So let me go back so that I'll be able to pick it. This one is meant for MT5. It's a triple confirmation forex trading strategy. So let's open this. I'm going to pause it because I'm not watching it. Then this is how to. This is a link to download the indicators and the template that I use in that video. Just click on it to take us to Google Drive. Also, triple confirmation, just click on this arrow to download. So I'm downloading it right now. Okay, good. Also, here is it. So show in a folder. So let me paste it in the previous folder. So then paste it here. Also paste it. It's a zip folder. Also, you have to unzip it. If you don't have WinRAR, just make sure you download WinRAR and extract it. Click on extract here, right click on it. Let me do that again. Right click on it and extract here. So I want to be extracted here. So after it is extracted, just double click on it also, it will open up. Now you find out that we have 4 items inside this also. We have .ex5, .ex5, .ex5. So .ex5, we go to we paste it inside the MQL5. So let's go back to what we are running. So it is complete right now. So let me go back to my desktop right now, and here is it author FS MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 4. This is MetaTrader 5, and it's running already. And here is it, Opta FS UK Limited. Next, let me see. Okay, it demo open a real account, connect with an existing account. So we have existing account. Let's go back to the site and copy the details. Here is the account number. Copy, then go back to the platform, paste it, then go back to the site also. Copy your password, trader password. You click on this button, just copy, it's copied already, and paste it here also.
Incoming
So
mail.
it is not real account, it's demo. So you change this one to Octa FS demo and not real. So finish. If everything is okay, all right, it's in already. We are good to go. Congratulations. Now you have a MT4 and MT5 on your system right now. So let me show you uh, how you can attach the indicator and template on this MT5. So go like this is trade. We have our $200 there demo. So Control T again. So we have some charts that are opened already, so I want to close them. Still want to use the same euro, USD, or euro Australia dollar. I can use any other one anyway. So let me use this. But sometimes when you do not see every pair, every of the pairs that you want to trade here, you do not see them. You wanted to actually trade all these pairs and you don't know not see what you want to trade. There's a way you can actually make them appear. Here is it. Just before I tell you how to attach indicator and template on MT5, sometimes once when you open an account and it is new, most of the time all the pairs won't be showing here. So what you need to do is to right click on any of the pairs. Here is it. Now I want them to show all. So you just click on show all and take note of what is going to happen there. So you see everything is populated. We have all the pairs right now. All the pairs that you can trade on this MT5, we have it here. So we have it here. In case you don't see it, that's what you need to do. Just right click on any of the pair and click, since we have show all, and that's why it's not clickable again. We cannot click it again. Good, that's how to go about that. Now that we know how to do that, now let me go back to uh, our training. How you can copy and paste indicator. Here is it. Now the MT5.ex file, I'm going to copy it right now. Here is it, the three indicators. I've copied it already. Now let's go back to the platform. Here is it, MT5. Go to file, here, go to file, then open data folder, still the same process as MT4 here up to this level. And immediately you get to this level, you click on it, you see MQL5, not MQL4 again. Then double click it, see indicator, double click it also and paste it here. Paste it here. Now these are the three indicators that we need. Now let me close it again, or you can go back and like two step. Now we have profile, double click it, this is deleted. So let's go back again, so you can actually play with all this. So if you check this profile, we wanted to put our template and there's no template folder there. You might make the same mistake also, that you click on that and you do not see any folder to paste your uh, .tpl, which is your template. Just go back again. This is another profile, just click on it. But because I'm going back, you might not actually get it. Let me close it and do it from beginning again. Now that we've pasted the indicators, now it is time for us to paste template also. So open data folder also. This time around, we are not going to click MQL4. We are going to click profiles. You see now there's a little bit different from the MT4 and MT5. So click profile here, not profile from here, not profile from here, profile from here under MKL5. So double click on it. Here is it again. Here is it again. It's empty. There's nothing inside. So let's check MQL5 also here. Profile also. Now we have it here. So we actually have two template, two profile. Let me start from the beginning again. We actually have two profile. One of it is empty, and the other one you will see template folder. This is open data folder. Here is it. Let me close it so that I'll start afresh. Here is it. Open data folder. Here is a profile. Inside this, there's no template folder. So you click MQL5. Double click it. Now we have another profiles also. So double click this. Inside this profile, we have template folder. So double click this template folder. Here are the default template that followed this MT5 platform. Now go back to the indicator. Let's go back to our file where we downloaded the indicators. Here is it. So copy the .tpl template. You copy it and go back to our folder using this template and paste it here. And paste it. After you pasted it, you are done. Just close it. Close this folder right now. We don't need it again. Now I want to insert the template first. Now in the first chart, MT4, let me show you now the difference. Here we see template sign. There's a sign here. This is template where you can attach your template here. But on MT5, you don't have that button. What you need to do is to right click on your chart and see template. Here, this is template. We have save template, load template, remove template. This time around, we want to load template. We want to load template. Here are the template. This is the one we pasted here that we downloaded from my channel, and click on it and click open. And click open. Now, this is one of the things we didn't see the indicator there. The remaining indicators that we pasted inside indicator folder. Why? The reason is this: we've not refreshed it on this platform, and that's why we are going to do that right now. Just click Ctrl N on your laptop, and this is the indicator. Click on it, and here we not have any other indicator. You can just click open any one there, right click and refresh. You can close it back. So we have the three indicators now. We have it now. So now that we have it, I can attach it one by one, but I'm not going to do that. So let's go back to click your Control N again to close this left hand side. So I'll click on it. Go back to your template again and load it. It will show right now, load template again. And here is it. You can double click on it automatically. It's there right now because we've refreshed it. And now we have the indicators, everything as we've seen it on YouTube channel. The same thing as we've seen it here. The only difference here is that I use Euro Australia dollar and I use Euro USD here. And if I want to use Euro Australia dollar, it's the same thing here. I'm going to do it now. So it's going to look exactly like the one in the video. Here is it. Then just right click on your chart, template, and then load template again. And here is it. You can click on it, open, or you double click it. All right, here is it. We have it. This is how you attached a template to your chart in MT5. In MT5. For the first time, it might be confusing because you are not used to it. When I started using MT5 too, because I was not used to it, I have to look for a way, Google a lot of things before I finally know how to attach indicator and template on MT5. So it can be tiring if you don't know how to go about it. And this is how you go about attaching a template on the MT5. So I've put you through how you can insert it and attach it on the MT4, and here is MT5 also. And if you want to do it one by one, you want to attach the indicator one by one, it's still the same process. So let me use another chart, also another arrow so that we compare the two at the end. Use Control N. So we have this indicator, the first one, big blue bar. I've told you you are going to do the setting, change the setting if you are going to attach it manually, and if you do not know what the where you get the indicator from, the setting they use, the input, you are not going to have the same result with them because their settings are different. So the setting here is 50, and once it's 50, you can decide to leave this as it is. And here is this. The second one is this. Uh, the setting remain the same, and here is it. And the third one is PTL, which yeah, I'm going to do a little bit. I'm going to change some things here. Change this to 14, and the color here, I want to change the color here also. I want to change the color, but before I change it, so that you know why I change it, let's just use it as default. Now we have a lot of things here. Press Ctrl G to get rid of this grid. Use Ctrl G, and now Ctrl N. So here is it right now. So if you compare the two together, it's not the same. Here is the first one with my template. Here is it. And here is the same pairs, this same pairs, and the things look different. So I want to change. I don't want this line, this dotted broken line. So I'm going to right click on it again, properties of PTL. Then I'm going to change this. This is the dotted, the broken line. So I want to change this thing to no, I don't want any color there. Double click on it and changes. All right, here is it now, and click OK. Good. Now we almost have the same thing right now, but not the same also. So you change this also, property, change this. So we are going to have the same thing. So under colors, bar up, line, bar down, red, and this also line, then bear candle, change it to red. All right. Yes, it now exactly. We have the same thing as this template. Now, if you set up a chart like this and you got the indicator from different platform, from different people, and you want to save the template so that each time you open a new chart, you don't want to attach the indicator one by one. Don't want to start going through the stress again to attach the 3 indicator or 5, 6, 7 indicator again on different chart. So then the best thing for you to do after you've done it for the first chart, what you need to do is just right click on your laptop, on your chart again, and go to template. This time around, we are not loading template, we are not removing template, but we want to save it. So I want to save this template as it is right now. So I'm going to any name you want to use. Let me use profiting. All right, like this, and I'm going to save it. Here it is saved already. Now let's assume I have this chart now. This is a new chart. Instead of me attaching the one by one, what I need to do right now is just to right click on this chart again, go to template. This time around we have profiting here. Just click on profiting. Wow, it's as simple as that. We have the same set, the same indicator, the same setting, that you don't have to do it again and again. For every chart you want to open, you can just use the same setting by just using your template. This will save you time. Template, then profiting. Good, we are good to go. So this is how you open an account. The opening might be different, as you found out that when I was going through mine, I was not used to the site also, but the process the same. They are going to ask for the same thing. Open your account. Once you open it, look for where you will download the MT4, as we've done here, where you are going to download your MT4. Download it, get the details, your the login details, copy your login details, and paste it, and you are good to go. So this is how we use it. This is MT4 and this is MT5. And mind you, the indicator you use on MT4 cannot work on MT5, and the indicator meant for MT5 cannot work on MT4. You have to put MT4 indicator on MT4 and MT5 indicator us on MT5 indicators and MT5 template on MT5 template. You cannot interchange them. It's not going to work. It's not going to show on your chart because the program is different. So I know right now that you know how to do this from start. how to attach it. I've put you through both. How to do that on MT4 and MT5. And if you want to place a trade, this is where you place a trade. I think I'm going to create another video for that. This one is not long enough, so that I will cut this at this point. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so and do like the video. I see you in another video. If there's any question, just chat me up on Telegram group, on Telegram, join our Telegram group and chat me up there. Drop your comment also